A day in the life of a college student in TIP. Wave edition.
As our
So we're here at TIP booth. So, what's your name?
So, I'm Athena Andrea po, from psychology.
So may question ako, anong expectation mo sa mga magiging new students ngayon?
So, my expectation for them is to always do their best and hope na you can make it with confidence. Excuse me lang.
Excuse me po. Ayan. Yun lang po. Thank you. Nakuha na mo yun? So yun, we're here at TIP. Ano ba to? So yun. What's your name po?
I'm Kit Laysen Marquez. I'm 4th year computer engineering student.
So yun, anong expectation sa mga freshies ngayon school year?
This school year, syempre meron tayong digital learning Monday. So every Monday, digital learning tayo. No, event na kada organization. Okay lang ba? Magdadagal ako. Malalaman nyo yan. May event. Lahat mapupuntahan nyo. And ayun, malalaman nyo yung mga orgs doon. And also, ano program?
Civil engineering.
Oh, civil engineering. I am student leader before. Ah, sorry! Sorry! I was student leader before. Yeah. Mayor ako ng CPE, ng Computer Engineering. So, and also, Saya Week, masaya yun. Yeah. Okay, and then, naging student council ako. Yan. Okay na ba yan?
I think na-take over na ni ate yung vlog ko. So yan, thank you so much. So, currently nasa canteen kami kasi napakalakas ng ulan. Bro, ano reaction mo nun nawala ang Ayan, wala na.